How to make it in the metaverse. In this work of fiction, a woman buys a home in the metaverse because New York City rent is just too high. But virtual worlds exact their own cost of living. This piece is part of CoinDesk's Metaverse Week. By Emily Parker. Layer 2, May 25, 2022 at 9:34 p.m. Updated May 25, 2022 at 9:53 p.m. By Emily Parker. Layer 2, May 25, 2022 at 9:34 p.m. Updated May 25, 2022 at 9:53 p.m. Going out for coffee is the best part of the day. She leaves her tiny apartment with her sullen roommates and goes to a cafe 2 blocks away. She customizes every order. Today it is cookies and cream and almond and vanilla foam, with a dash of green pistachio for flair. There's coffee in there too, but it's kind of beside the point. She orders the largest size, always iced. That'll be $32.85, the barista says. Sure, the coffees add up, but it doesn't even matter. What else is she going to buy? New York City was expensive before inflation spun out of control, but now it's unlivable. She is a designer with a decent income, yet purchasing a home or a car is impossible. Even a grown-up piece of furniture feels out of reach. Not like she would have anywhere to put it, anyway. Her landlord is planning to raise the rent in 2 months, and she will probably have to move, though she has no idea where. This work of fiction is part of CoinDesk's. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.